Welcome to the new chapter of EC Learning, powered by Elegant Central. Please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and also enable the bell button to get the recent notifications.
Hi friends, good morning. My name is RISHAN. Amy has two pets, a rat and a cat. The rat is white and thin. The cat is brown and fat. The rat is on the mat. The cat is placed in the vat. Amy goes to the market. Let us we can say their conversation.
I am going to the market. Don't fight.
It is my mat. So what? Get off. No, I won't. I will get my bat. It is rat mat. So what? Get off. No, I won't. I will go and get my hat. This is rat mat. So what? Get off. No, I won't. Let us see. Thank you.
Please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and also enable the bell button to get the recent notifications.